ultimate in high-fidelity music listening and home recording pleasure within the reach of everyone.
Warm crab and artichoke dip. Shrimp and chicken gumbo. Shrimp and chicken gumbo. Chargrilled bone in New York steak. Chargrilled bone in New York steak. Fried shrimp platter. Fried shrimp platter. Chinese chicken salad. Sweet corn tamale cakes. Dynamite shrimp. Dynamite shrimp. Cajun chicken livers. Chicken Riesling. Chicken Riesling. Caesar salad. Caesar salad. Spicy cashew chicken. Spicy cashew chicken. Miso salmon. Miso salmon. Roadside sliders. Roadside sliders. Stuffed mushrooms. Stuffed mushrooms. Chicken taquitos. Chicken taquitos. Korean fried cauliflower. Korean fried cauliflower. Chicken Parmesan pizza style. Chicken Parmesan pizza style. Herb crusted filet of salmon. Herb crusted filet of salmon. Factory burrito brand. Factory burrito brand. Buffalo wings. Buffalo wings. Famous factory meatloaf. Famous factory meatloaf. Margherita Pizza. Margherita Pizza. Cheeseburger spring rolls. Cheeseburger spring rolls. Filet Mignon. Filet Mignon. Truffle-Honey Chicken. Truffle-Honey Chicken. Tex Mex Eggrolls. Tex Mex Eggrolls. Chicken and biscuits. Chicken and biscuits. Chicken piccata. Chicken piccata. Chicken pot stickers. Chicken pot stickers. Shrimp Scampi. Shrimp Scampi. Shepherd's pie. Shepherd's pie. Loaded baked potato tot. Loaded baked potato tot. Crispy chicken costoletta. Crispy chicken costoletta. Quesadilla. quesadilla, steak Diane, steak Diane, factory nachos, factory nachos, southern fried chicken sliders, southern fried chicken sliders, crispy fried cheese, orange chicken, orange chicken, Thai lettuce wraps, Thai lettuce wraps, Parmesan-Herb crusted chicken, Parmesan-Herb crusted chicken, Buffalo blasts, Buffalo blasts, Bang Bang chicken and shrimp, hot spinach and cheese dip, Chicken Madeira, Chicken Madeira, Chicken Bellagio, Chicken Bellagio, fried macaroni and cheese, brown bread, brown bread.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.